Hello everyone, welcome back. And today I'm here to show you how to redeem your promo code on Duolingo. So let's get started. So first things first, you head on to your Duolingo app and you click on it. After clicking and your Duolingo loads up, just give mine a few seconds. Once it loads up, when you look at the top part of your screen, you'd see a blue icon. You click on that icon and then a menu comes up. And oh, it's the Duolingo shop. You scroll down all the way to the bottom, and then you'd see promo code. You click on it, and you click on redeem now, and then they show you the pop-up, and you'd see the option to write your code and click apply. Well, I don't have a promo code right now, but I'm pretty sure you do. So that's the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.